Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new, hello, my name is BlancaEstela, and if you're not, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unbagging my February yes or yes bag. I know it's been a while since I've done these, but I'm getting back to it, don't worry. It did come in a bag, like it always does. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out each product one by one, and of course, they did include a little card with the prices of the products. So Yes or Yes is a monthly subscription like Ipsy or BoxyCharm. $14.99 a month plus shipping and handling. You do get five to seven full-size products. I do have a discount link so you can get 10% off your first box only. It is always on the description box down below. It's always on all the description boxes of all my videos. So if you want to sign up, just come back to one of my videos and you can see the link. You automatically get 10% off your first box. So yeah, if you want to use it, go ahead. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out each product one by one like I always do. So the first thing is an eyeshadow palette. The thing that I like about Yes or Yes is that they always send you a full-size palette every month. Whether it's a eyeshadow palette or a face palette, always a palette, and I love that. So the first product is a palette. It's an eyeshadow palette by Beauty Creations, and this is the Emerald palette. Right here. And then we'll take it out of the box. So it looks the same as the outside packaging. Ooh, this is pretty. Uy, mira. Mira qué chula la paleta. Ay. Look at the palette. That is so pretty. I like this. I can't wait to use it. Ooh. Got a new palette. So this palette, it doesn't tell you the prices this month. Anyways, okay, so this month MSRP is $93, and I only paid $14.99 plus shipping and handling. So I paid that much for $93, girl, worth of makeup. That is amazing, you know. Okay, moving on. That's weird. It doesn't have the prices. Oh well. Okay, so then I got 3 brushes, y'all. 3 brushes. These are from IIKONN. IIKONN? I think that's how you pronounce it. So I got a crease brush, a concealer brush, and an angled brush. And this is what they look like. I know you can see the brand name. I'll take them out of the pack. I'll just take them out of the plastic already. Give me a little second, okay? I'm gonna start off with the angled one. This is what the angled one looks like. How cute is the logo though of the brand? That is so cute. Like, hello. Nice to meet you. And then the second brush is the concealer brush. So it's the same packaging, but the brush is different. And then the last one is a crease brush, which I actually like this one. Looks really nice. Right there. I love getting brushes, you guys. Just saves you money from buying some, yeah. And then the next product is a eyeliner, I believe. Yeah. This is a Velvet Smooth Eyeliner by Cookie Cosmetics in the shade Forest Green. I like this shade. It looks really cute. See, it's like a green shade. And then, ay, venga su madre. Oh, there it is. Really pretty color. Okay, and then I have 2 more products left. The next one, I think it's another eyeliner. Yeah, no, lip liner. Yeah, this is a Pro Define eyeliner by JCat Beauty. Their whole addiction eyeliner in the shade Shimmer Bronze. So it's like a shimmery bronzy shade. Take it out of the plastic so you guys can see the color right. Well, I took some of the plastic off so you can see the tip of the eyeliner. First let me show you the eyeliner, cause So this is the eyeliner right there. And then this is the tip in the shade. It's a really, really pretty color. I'll probably wear this when I wear like something bold on the eyes, and I won't use this as an eyeliner in my waterline. So excited about that. I have one more product, and this is by Bang Beauty. This is one of their open it. I think it's a lipstick. No, it's a crayon. It's a chubby stick. It's a lip crayon. Sorry. And this is in the shade. What shade is this, yo? Oh. In the shade Dangerous. So it's a red lip crayon. Really, really cute. Right there. I don't know if I'm gonna like this just because I like matte stuff, and I don't think this is matte. I mean, I can still use it though. That's pretty cool. So that is it for this video. That's all I got this month for February. Remember, I have a link. You can get 10% off your box, your first one, or first bag if you want to try it out. You can cancel whenever you want. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys. I love you.